Hello everyone, I am Gyan and you are learning computer science with Python for class 11. In this video we are going to install Python in Windows 10. We are going to install the latest version of Python in Windows 10. So go to Google and type install Python. Press enter. This is the website of Python. Right click, open in new tab. You have to right click on this first link and then open in new tab. Here the latest version of Python for Windows is Python 3.9.5. Click here. You have to click on this button. Download Python 3.9.5. Click here, left click, and your installation starts. I want to save the file on the desktop. The Python file has been downloaded. Right click and click Show in folder. Double click here and the Python installation starts. Click on install now. Press yes. Click on yes. This may take some time. You need to wait for a few moments before your installation finishes. So we are almost done with Python installation. So it is done now. Click on close for this window. Go here and type IDLE. This is the IDLE for Python 3.9 which we just have installed. This was my older installation and this is the new installation of Python 3.9. Click here. This is the IDLE and here you can type your Python code like print hello. Press enter and it got executed. You can create your new Python file by clicking on here file, then new file, and then you can type your command here on the new file. Print hello. Go to the file, go to save it by using a file name. The type of file is .py file. Don't change it. So I want to store the file on the desktop. I want to name it as first.py. So just beside the first name of the file, the last name is always .py. Okay, you already have selected it. Just type the first name. Click on save. Now go to run and click on run module. And here your program got executed. So there are two ways to execute Python codes. The one way is you write your Python command here on the terminal and that will execute. This is called the Python shell. Otherwise, you can create a new Python file in which you write your command and that program will execute. This is the full-fledged Python program. Means when you write your commands in a separate file, then that is called the full-fledged Python program. And this one is called the Python shell. Now let's try to install the Python in Linux. Actually, you don't need to install Python in Linux. I have Ubuntu in my virtual box. When you install Ubuntu, the Python installation comes with Ubuntu. You don't need to install it. This is my Ubuntu. Let's open the terminal. Control Alt T. Ctrl plus Alt plus T. That will open the terminal and you just type Python. And here you start. Okay, you need to type here Python 3 and here you start Python 3. Print hello and this is hello. The other way to do is open first.py file. gedit is the editor just like Notepad. Okay, so open the first.py file with gedit and type an ampersand here. Press enter and here is your first.py. You type your code here, print hello. Minimize the code or you can cut the window. Then type here Python 3 first.py. Press enter and it works. So the idea is Ubuntu comes with ready-made Python installation, but you always need to install Python in Windows. So be ready with the Python installation because from the next video we are going to start fundamentals of Python programming. See you in the next video.